Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Public Gold step by step. Open the Public Gold app and complete registration, then verify your identity and link a payment method so you can access buying and selling features. Learn where to find live prices, product specifications, and order history. I will walk you through account settings, security options, and simple steps to make your first purchase with confidence and ease. Place an order by first checking live prices and selecting the exact bullion or product you want to buy. Enter the quantity or weight, review shipping or storage options, and confirm the total cost including any fees. Choose your payment method, authorize the transaction, and wait for order confirmation. I will explain common prompts and how to track order status so you can buy with calm and clarity. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation. The product seen here is a set of leak-proof meal prep containers that make busy days easier and cleaner, a small life hack when you are managing time for investing. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it fits your routine. Now let's get back to the video. Manage your holdings by deciding on home delivery or secure vault storage, and understand any storage fees involved. Consider insurance and documentation for physical deliveries, and learn how to schedule shipments or request withdrawals. Use the portfolio view to monitor value changes and transaction history, and set up alerts for price movements. I will share practical tips to keep records tidy and make future trades faster and more confident.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.